Lift the load slowly. Watch the cables, steady now. Hold it there.
Start the charge sequence now. Make sure that area is clear.
Pipe coming down. Hold it steady. Watch the tracks. All right, bring it down slow. Watch the corner, watch the corner. Hold it steady now.
We need more slack on Sector 4.
Copy that, pulling it now.
Check the sensor connection on line 3. Confirmed. Tightening the conduit now.
The clearance looks good, and the melt behind them is significant.
Agreed. The system is performing as expected.
Watch the clearance on that beam. All right, hold it steady.
We need to run the wiring right here, connect it to the main grid up there.
Is the cable secured on your end? Just finish the connection now. Initiating system checks on the charging unit.
Slow it down, watch the flow there. All right, hold it steady. Hold it there. All right, secure that side. Clear below. Clear below.
Check the tension on that clamp again.
It's holding steady. Looks good to proceed.
Careful with that glass panel, it's heavy. Almost got it secured. Pass me the impact driver.
We need to ensure these vents are perfectly level for the heating element. Pass me the laser level. I'll check the alignment on this frame.
Okay, starting the sequence now. Section 1.
Confirmed. Moving to section 2
And 3.
Lift the cable higher. Okay, guiding it into the port now. Make sure that connection is secure.
I said check the voltage on the main sensor array. Doing it now. Readings are fluctuating in the wind.
Initialize the sweep sequence on the left array. Confirmed. Getting a steady pulse now.
Secure that antenna mount quickly. It's frozen solid, I need the torch. Hurry up, the wind is picking up.
Is that anchor set yet? Almost. Give me 10 more feet of cable. Watch the wind, it's picking up. Pressure looks good. Check the spray pattern on the left side.
Yep.
Copy that. Looks even.
This hall looks great now that the lights are in.
Yeah, much warmer than before.
Overall, the quality here is very high. Yes, the punch list is minimal for this section.
Test sequence initiated. Expect flickering on the lower facade. Confirmed. Flicker stabilizing now.
Hold it steady. All right, lowering the left side now. Watch the edge.
System voltage is stable. Gondola 3 approaching station. Speed nominal. Confirmed. Initiating docking sequence test.
Gate sequence initiated.
Locking mechanism engaged. Status secure.
The spray pattern looks consistent on the starboard wing. Agreed. Minimal ice remaining. Cables connected and secure.
Confirmed. De-icing complete. You are clear.
Watch the compactor on the left. Bring the next section over here.
Make sure the tracks are clear before the next pass. Copy that. Moving to station 4 now. November 721, wind shear advisory active.
Acknowledged. Ensure the METAR updates are current on Sector 3.
Runway systems test complete, all green.
Terminal systems nominal.
Roger that, systems check finalized. Make sure the east side is clear. It's clear, keep it coming down. Doors securing,